In front of me is OUKITEL C15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. Start by opening settings and scrolling down. Notice security and location. Tap on screen lock over here and pick one of the login methods by tapping on the chosen one. Swipe pattern pin or password. After that, answer this question by tapping on yes or no and enter your login method. Then choose next at the bottom right corner, repeat it, and choose confirm over here. Now you need to choose when your device is locked how do you want notifications to be displayed. Click on one of the options, like don't show notifications at all, and tap done. So now when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, icons that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!